Hi, my name is Joey. I'm a rising sophomore at SAR High School, and for my final milestone, I completed the construction of this Harry Potter sorting hat. The sorting hat is a hat where it's based off of the Harry Potter books, and once you turn it on, it will sort the user into a house. So if I were to plug the Arduino in and turn on the speaker and upload the code, the hat should sort you into a house.
So, where shall I put you? Now, that's interesting. You've a ready mind. There's talent. Oh, my goodness, yes. Plenty of wit and learning. Not a bad mind, either. It's all here in your head. Better be Ravenclaw.
Okay, so there's really two main parts to the project. The first is getting it to move, and then second is getting it to speak. To get it to speak though, use this device called Arduino Wave Shield, which is the top thing here, and it actually lets you play audio. So what I really did to get these audio is I just went on YouTube. I found it in the movie, the clips in the movie of the hat sorting these Hogwarts students into the 4 houses. I downloaded it to my computer. I gave that file a name, and then I was actually able to produce a code that has the Arduino playing the files. I then went back in and added a couple more lines of code so that the Arduino plays the files in a random fashion. So you're not just in like Gryffindor or Slytherin, you're actually in different houses every time. The second part of the project was getting the hat to actually move. And at the heart of this operation is a mechanical link, which is this thing right here. The mechanical link is actually made out of like fairly easy stuff. There's just 2 markers. You chop off the edges, you cut it all out, all the stuff inside. You drill a hole in it, and you just put a screw in. You also just put a rubber band to keep it sturdy, and you glue it to the top. And then the key thing about this mechanical link is it's connected to the servo motor. And a servo motor can actually access Arduino through the perf board right here. So because it can access the Arduino, I went on Arduino, I made a code that enables the servo to kind of sweep upwards, which will then hit the mechanical link, which will make the hat move. I really enjoyed building this project because there's a lot of components to this project. There was a lot of designing, there's a lot of mechanical work, a lot of coding. I feel like for one project it really got a whole array of stuff, and I really feel like this just really got me familiar with a lot of fields of engineering in 6 weeks that most projects can't really do. There's just a lot of ways to improve it, but I think the biggest two is A, you have to get a common variable in the sorting of the houses, and B, you should give it like that authentic like Harry Potter type look. So just for the variable could really be anything. I was thinking if I were to add it, I would probably make it be like a thermal sensor. So based on like the temperature or something of the user, that's what house it would be in. But it could be anything. Like I don't really care. Just some sort of like common variable, so you're not sorted into random house like you are now. And the second is just like maybe like paint it, like brush it up, just like get the hat to be like that, like that Harry Potter, like old shabby sorting hat look to it. And if I do those 2 things, I think that'll really help my project get to the next level. As I said before, I really enjoyed building it. This definitely sparked my interest of engineering, and in the future I really hope to pursue this and hopefully narrow down a specific field of engineering to pursue. Thank you.